Hi, everyone. Let's talk about something that's happening inside almost every organization right now, whether leadership knows it or not. It's called shadow AI. Now, if you've heard the term shadow IT before, people using unauthorized software or apps because corporate systems couldn't keep up, this is the next evolution of that same problem. Shadow AI is when employees use their own AI tools outside of company-approved platforms. Maybe your organization has officially chosen Microsoft Copilot, but your people are quietly using ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude on their own time because those tools simply perform better. And I'll be honest, this isn't just happening at the lower levels. We've seen senior executives, people in boardrooms, doing the exact same thing. So, why does shadow AI happen? Here's the truth. Most people using these outside tools aren't trying to break rules or put the company at risk. They're doing it because they're under pressure to perform, to deliver faster, to innovate, to keep up. They find that when they use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, they can think, write, and plan faster. They get deeper insights. They get unstuck. But when the only approved AI option feels limited or locked down, they go elsewhere, often without realizing the risks that come with that decision. Recent research shows that around 80% of employees have already used unapproved AI tools at work. That includes IT professionals, managers, even cybersecurity leaders. It's not rebellion. It's a symptom that the company's AI strategy isn't meeting people where they're at. So what are the risks lurking in the shadows? Here's where it gets serious. When people use AI outside the corporate environment, your data leaves the safety of your ecosystem. It might end up on servers halfway around the world. We've seen real cases of employees pasting client data, source code, or financial reports into public AI models, and that information can stay there forever. That opens the door to privacy breaches, regulatory violations, and in some cases, IP loss. 1 in 5 companies has already experienced some kind of data exposure from unsanctioned AI use. Then there's accuracy. If an employee uses a public AI to generate a proposal or forecast, and that AI hallucinates or fabricates something, the company owns that mistake. Without oversight, there's no audit trail, no accountability, and no way to know what was fact or fiction. Now, I've seen companies react to this by simply saying, no one can use anything but our approved AI. But let's be honest, bans don't work. If a tool saves someone hours of work, they'll find a way to use it, at home, on their phone, or through another network. That's when the real danger begins, because once it goes underground, your IT and compliance teams lose visibility entirely. Instead of fighting this behavior, we need to understand it and redirect it. A better approach: enablement, not enforcement. Here's what's working for organizations that are getting this right. First, give your people tools that actually help them. If your approved AI system can't keep up with what's available publicly, you're going to lose the battle. Consider hosting enterprise-grade models, like ChatGPT or Claude, inside a secure environment where your data stays protected. Make those tools powerful enough that employees want to use them. Second, build clear, flexible AI governance. Don't just write a long policy that says what not to do. Create a process that allows people to suggest new tools. Evaluate them quickly, and if they're safe, add them to your approved list. When employees feel like they can participate in shaping the AI ecosystem, they stop hiding what they're using. And third, build a culture of responsible AI use. Educate people on the risks, show them how to use AI effectively and safely. Encourage open conversations instead of creating fear. When people understand why guardrails exist and see leadership modeling good behavior, compliance becomes natural, not forced. In conclusion, shadow AI isn't a security problem. It's a leadership opportunity. It's your organization telling you, we want to innovate faster. Help us do it safely. The companies that lean into this conversation, that enable their teams with powerful tools, smart governance, and trust, will move faster, operate smarter, and stay well ahead of their competitors. So instead of trying to shut shadow AI down, bring it into the light. Turn it into a catalyst for better systems, stronger culture, and smarter growth. Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by 0 to 60.ai. If you found this helpful, share it with another leader who's wrestling with AI integration. And remember, the future of AI in business isn't about control, it's about confidence, culture, and collaboration.